Hello everybody, my name is Kyungdong Kim. I'm gonna talk about Windows start and shutdown process. First, we have to press the power button. Press the power button to turn on the main board. The CPU and graphical will be turned on. Turn on the CPU to wake up the computer and turn on the graphic card to turn on the monitor first. The next step is to check the BIOS. The turn on CPU is initialized by erasing previous value it has. Usually the initialized value point to the address value of the boot program. The boot program is executed with the information in the boot program. Once this is done, start the post process. Post stands for power on self-test. Post perform important check. The error found is usually fatal, so it does not boot. The first step of the post tests whether the system bus is operating normally. It sends a specific signal to the system bus. If it was normally, go to next step. Next test is RTC. The following test system video component. You can see the boot process using standard output only after this process is completely. Next test is the RAM. And next step is the test of whether the keyboard is normally connected or not. The next step is to test that all the driver connected to the system, such as floppy, CDs, and hard disk. Next check is the test whether the result of post matches the value written in CMOS. Then load and run additional BIOS and RAM. And load the basic configuration for the operating system into RAM. At the end of the process, the BIOS will give you the ability to boot into Windows. Read the MBR of the hard disk and prepare to boot. The MBR is 512 byte area located in the first sector of the hard disk. It is Windows execution stage from now on. The IPA prepared to start the operating system by looking for NTLDR in the C driver. At this point, read the boot ini file to select the operating system that is embedded in the hardware. Next, read the ntdetect.com file to get the registry. Then run the kernel. Next is the kernel area. Load the kernel at this time. The loaded driver and the order are determined. Initialize the kernel. Check the current stage of the loaded driver and start the operation. Start the service, load sms.exe and the Windows 32 subsystem. Start the subsystem and start winlogon. Open the winlog.exe to load the Windows user account and password and display the logon screen. When you log on, Windows Start. So far, it was a Windows startup process. Next is Windows shutdown process. Windows shutdown process is simpler than starting. Exit to Windows EX will start when you press the Windows exit button. At this point, the window will be terminated. The shell will be notified that it is exiting first, and the Explorer shell will disappear. The following verifies that there is an update in the user profile. You will be sent a log of notification event, then disconnect the network, and log of sound impact and shutdown sound impact will occur, and create a kill process thread. This thread called exit window ex and wait for up to 15 minutes to complete. Next, unload and save your profile and remove RAS connection and send an exit notification event and exit window 5 protection and create other logo thread and run exit windows ex again. Invoke the exit function in Gina and the exit dialog is then displayed and the windows closed. So far it was about the Windows start up and shutdown process. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.